Jai Jai Kheer Bhavani Mata Ki Jai Tul Mul, Jai Kheer Bhavani. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a journey. This is a divine journey. This is a divine sojourn to Mata Kheer Bhavani on 20th June 2018. Celebration on 20th June 2018. We started all the way from Delhi on 18th June 2018, and we are a complete convoy. You know that we had the breakfast on 19th June 2018 today morning at Udhampur, and we started from Udhampur. Ladies and gentlemen, have a closer look. This is one of the finest tunnels, you know. This is in India. This is the longest road tunnel. This is the longest road tunnel this time built in India, which was started. Have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. This is the tunnel. It is totally going through this tunnel. You will not be able to see afterwards. This is the Patni of NASHRI, CHENANI NASHRI tunnel. So ladies and gentlemen, this tunnel, you know, it is 9.2 kilometers long. 9.2 kilometers long, two tubes, and of course ladies and gentlemen, it has also, this tunnel has also the escape routes. So ladies and gentlemen, what's special about this tunnel? This tunnel that we are going through, it is 9 kilometers long. This is the longest road tunnel in India. This tunnel was started, ladies and gentlemen, this was started in July 2011, and it was to be completed in 2015, but it got delayed first for 1 year, and then again due to demonetization it was again delayed due to the cash crunch with the contractor, and finally it was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in 2017. In 2017 June, this tunnel, 9.2 kilometers long, which is Chennai NASHRI tunnel, which is the longest road tunnel in India on the National Highway 44, which connects, ladies and gentlemen, this connects Jammu and Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. You know, ladies and gentlemen, the most important thing about this tunnel is that it bypasses Patod, it bypasses Kud, it bypasses Patnitop. You know, these places are very difficult and very dangerous. They are all slide prone. They are all, you know, these mountains come crumbling down, and you know, the traffic gets closed. The traffic gets closed most of the time during winter time. So once this tunnel is there, it's a all fair road tunnel, all weather fair weather road tunnel, because it does not stop, because it's inside the womb of the mountains. It is running through the mountains, so there is no question of this tunnel getting closed or getting blocked, and it runs throughout the winter and throughout the summer. Ladies and gentlemen, more features, more important points about this beautiful long tunnel, 9.2 kilometers, as I already told you, is that this tunnel bypasses 44 slide prone avalanches and slide prone areas, mountains. So these very dangerous spots in the Himalayas, in the mountains, in the Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu highway, which was earlier National Highway 1A, and now it is National Highway 44. This is under the control of NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India. So ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, this beautiful very long external tunnel that we are running through. It is 9.2 kilometers, and then this total length of the two tubes is 13 kilometers, 13 meters. As I told you, these two tubes running parallel to each other, and there are some small escape tunnels also. So these add up all these tunnels to 19 kilometers. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the journey, enjoy the feeling, and enjoy the drive. We no longer have to wait for days. Once this this Kod, Batot, Patni Top and this NASHRI, they get blocked due to slides, due to rainfall, snow, and of course due to the avalanches. No doubt we don't have to fear about these because these all problems have been solved and they have been plugged. They have been nipped in the bud. We can straight away go through this 9.2 kilometer CHENANI NASHRI tunnel, because it starts at CHENANI and ends at NASHRI. That's why it is known as CHENANI NASHRI tunnel. So ladies and gentlemen, this tunnel that you are seeing, which is between on National Highway 44 and connects this Jammu with Udhampur. You can say Jammu, you can say Udhampur, with Kashmir you can say Srinagar. So next will be straight away Ramban. So 30 kilometers of distance is shortened by this particular tunnel. And ladies and gentlemen, this tunnel, as I told you, shortens this tunnel. We are going in the bus, and it's an AC bus, beautiful bus. We are going to Mata Kheer Bhavani, because it's a very important day for Kashmiri Pandits. This year it is falling on 20th June 2018. We are going there to pay our obeisance to Mata Kheer Bhavani, one of the incarnations and one of the deities of Ma Durga. Durga, you know that with 12 these arms, and the goddess of Hindus. So one of the forms is Mata Kheer Bhavani. It is one of the pious and sacred places which sits right around 30 kilometers from Kashmir towards Ganderbal and Kangan area. So Tul Mul will be blessed. We'll be straight away going today to Tul Mul, and then tomorrow on 20th we'll be celebrating the day of Goddess Kheer Bhavani. Coming back to the point, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you that 30 kilometers of distance is shortened by this 9.2 kilometers tunnel. This 9.2 kilometers tunnel you can just traverse maybe in around 10 minutes, because the vehicles can go at the speed of around 60 kilometers, 50 to 60 kilometers. So in 10 minutes this tunnel will be traversed. So ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, that this beautiful tunnel that you are seeing, this shortens the distance between Kashmir and Jammu by 30 kilometers. And as you know that these are all tough routes and mountainous routes. So these places, the vehicle goes at a speed of 12 kilometers or so in the mountains. So around 2.5 hour distance between Kashmir and Jammu is shortened due to this long beautiful tunnel. That is CHENANI NASHRI tunnel. So ladies and gentlemen, the huge development and the beautiful development that is happening to connect Kashmir Valley with the rest of India by strengthening the transportation and the infrastructure connect. So it further reduces the distance between the mainland India and the mountainous valley of Kashmir, my homeland. So one of the important points, ladies and gentlemen, that I wanted to tell you today is that we people in these buses are going back to Kashmir after 28 long years. 28 long years, that in 1990 there was an exodus and a mass killing and rapes and so many bad things which happened with the Kashmiri Pandits. Kashmiri Hindus. Pandit is not a very ordinary name. It is a title that has been given to Kashmiri Hindus by Akbar himself. Akbar was so impressed with the intellect, the simplicity and the nobleness and statesmanship of Kashmiri Hindus, Brahmins who were living in the valley of Kashmir that time. So in around 1550, Akbar gave all the Kashmiri Hindus, Brahmins the title of Pandits. So one fine day he ordered and told that now onwards all the Kashmiri Brahmins, all the Kashmiri Hindus who are living in the beautiful Vale Valley of Kashmir, now onwards they will be known as Kashmiri Pandits. It is from that day, you just see we are coming out of the tunnel. Wow, beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, just see that beautiful tunnel. So what I've been trying to tell you, this Akbar gave the name of Pandit to Kashmiri Brahmins. And from that day, during the last 550 years, more than 500 years, we are now known as Kashmiri Pandits. So ladies and gentlemen, today is the journey of Kashmiri Pandits back journey of Kashmiri Pandits back to Kashmir in search of their lost homes. Today is the sojourn, today is the journey, today is the walk and the talk of Kashmiri Pandits back to Kashmir in search and of their ground, in search of their roots, in search of their homes, in search of their earth. So ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, this is a very important day for us, for all of us, because we have started in search of our homes after 28 long years, in search of our homes. And home and earth, as you know, that it is very important. You may be anywhere in the world, but then you need to have your own home. Even birds in the evening come back to their nests. They come back to their home, but we don't have any nest for ourselves. We are scattered all over the world, and today is the journey of Kashmiri Pandits back to Kashmir in search of their home, in search of their lost home rather. So while we are paying our obeisance to Maharagya Bhagwati, at the same time we implore and pray to her for getting back our homes. And we also implore and request the people, the politicians of the day to get back us our homes, because Kashmiri Pandits journey is today to in search of their lost homes. So ladies and gentlemen, just have a look who all are here joining here today. I'll just give an introduction. He is Ragnya Sahib. He's a very great singer. So he's there, he's having a nap, And he's Sharma ji, the great person. Oh, great meeting. He's a media man, and he's joining us on this. There is Bhaskar, and he's joining us today. And Taikamara now.
Monica.
Oh, Monica, great Monica Mahaldar.
Yes.
God bless you. Taikamara now. Sheila? Oh, great. Namaskar, Naman. Oh, namaskar. God bless you. And the Mahaldar Sahab also is there. He is a great person. He is the anchor behind this whole thing. Doing lot of news around the world for our search on the lost home. Going journey of Kashmiri Pandits to Kashmir in search of their lost homes. So again, Kamal Chaudhary Sahab, so great man. Great man, sir, great man. Give your introduction. Acha mara ji naam hamare. Neeru ji, God bless you. So you are also joining. Namaskar. Namaskar mara tasha narazgi cha mara kya mara hai? Give a big smile, sir. Smile. Zabardasti hai. Oh, that's great. Namaskar. Himara sister Daisy ji, Seema Bangu, and of course Dolly ji is also there, because it's very cold now. We are in Kashmir, going to Kashmir, so they use Thandi Maharaj Basan. And of course my brother Vinod ji, God bless him.
Thank you, sir.
So we have been talking and we have been enjoying the routes and the journey. Oh, Kishmish, the best. God bless you. Give a big smile, Kishmish ji. Oh, great. Good. Kaise ji mola na? Kartavya. Good. Give a big smile. Excellent. Oh, bola. Kaise ji naam bola?
Gopal.
Oh, Gopal. He has been Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat, acha mara to hai kya? Oh, what's your name? Oh, sweet doll, huh? Diya, God bless you. So we say that Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. Hey Maldar Sahab, Mata Kheer Bhavani ki Jai. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Carry on. God bless you all. Thank you. So after some time we will again recharge, recharge होते रहना पड़ेगा, है ना? We need to get recharge. Thank you.